Okay, any doubts in the previous session? Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. Here I created a macro value, a macro variable. That macro variable name is A, right? So in this, how to resolve this macro variable? I want to see this macro variable, what inside this macro variable value. So how to resolve this?
We have to give the value like a percentage.
By percentile, put ampersand A, right? So in the log, you can see here that macro variable value. Okay, same like that. I'm creating two macro variables. So here I created three macro variables, right? A, B, and C. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me what is the value in macro variable C?
30.
So in the log window, you can see here. A, it do not doing any sum. It just representing as the value 10 plus 20. Okay. So it do not doing any sum between these numbers. Okay. So suppose if we want to do like that, we have to use a function. Okay? We can also use all functions that we use in the data step. So in the macros also we can use that all functions. So to do sum, we have a function called percentile val. Like this data. So you can see here now we got the value as 30, right? So previously we got 10 plus 20. It do not doing any sum between between these numeric numbers. But when we use this function called eval, then it doing sum, right? Same like we can also do so you can see here in the I created a macro variable d. So in this macro variable d, what is the value? What is the value we have? It is showing us 10 plus 20, right? So by applying condition on this macro variable d, here I forgot to give the macro variable name. So by applying function on this macro variable d also, we can do some estimate. Yes, some unknown issue error was coming here. So just wait a minute, I will close software and open again. showing again this thing. I'm facing some issue in the software. This one. Do your cloud is working? SaaS cloud is working?
Yes, sir.
So actually, I'm unable to log in SaaS cloud from past 3 days.
Okay, so I have to open that one. I mean, I have to open.
Not like that. Can you give me your credentials? I will log in with your account. Or,
Yes, sir. I will. I'm messaging you.
okay.
No, yes.
I will try once to-
Given you, sir.
Okay. So 3 days, it's showing me error like I will try with your ID. Okay, like I think like this is not working. In previous version it is work fine. Don't try this. In the new version, still you are getting error. Okay. So to do any calculations or any sums, you can use this function called percentile eval. Okay. Suppose if we have so now what is the value will we get in the macro variable C?
30.6.
Yeah, 30.6 usually we should get 30.6, right? But you can see here
Yes.
in the log window we got an error called a character uh, operand was found in the percentile eval or percentile if condition. So actually only numeric value should be used when we are using this percentile eval symbol. So whenever we have any decimal values, so we have to use percentile eval. Yes, that's it. Yeah, it's eval. So we have to use this percentile is eval f to do any sum values for the decimal values. Okay, it was run without any issues. So now you can see we got the value correctly 30.6. Okay, previously without using by using only 6 eval f we got an error in the log window. It was not displaying. So to do any sum we have to use this 6 percentile eval and the percentile 6 eval f. And next we can use all functions now. So, we can use this. So in this if we want to extract the first word this, what function can we use?
I did not hear you. Voice is not clear.
If we want to extract this first word, this what function should we use?
First word, we can use scan
Yeah.
based on delimiter, or we can use
So to use any functions that are existed in the data steps. So for all that functions before we have to use this symbol percentile symbol. Okay. Percentile scan, percentile scan, and we have to use this macro variable name. That is percent d and percent d comma 1.
yes.
Okay. So now to see this value, we have to use percentile put ampersand e to see this value. Okay. variable result formula. Here you can see
Before.
E equal to this. Okay, first word was extracted here, right? Is it visible?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Suppose if we want to extract this totally from this is, okay, now we will use this substitute function. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 comma 7. Yes, it will be option
Substr.
0, percent d, comma 1 comma. You can see here two words was extracted, this and is, right? So next we will use compass function. So compass function was minimum one argument, right? So defaultly it will remove the all spaces between the words, right? So you can see here apparent invocation of macro compress not resolved, right? So, it was telling that compress function was not available in the macros. Okay, previously you can also see here the scan and substr are in blue color, but you can see here the compress was in not in blue color, right? So for this type of function, we have to use nested function with other function that is presented in separately for macros. Okay, so that function called percentile is function. After using this function, we have to use like this as a nested type. Okay, now by using this sysfunc, we can use all functions that we have in the data steps. Function name missing in sysfunc. Yeah, right. You can see here inside the function what we are using. No need to represent again this percentile symbol inside that. Okay. So previously we used here percentile symbol, right? So now I removed it. So whenever we are using this sysfunc, again we should not need to give this percentile symbol here. Okay, once it's enough. So you can see here in the F, do it compress all the space values here?
Yes.
Yeah. So like this, by using this sysfunc function, we can use every function that present in the data steps. So now let's use index. So what do this index function do?
Which function?
Index.
Index function will find the position, either single or group of character.
Suppose I'm giving here is. So what is the value will we get in this macro variable f? So this is the string.
We will get 3. Wait, 0.
So let's try why it was showing us 0. Just a minute. We will try this in
Okay.
our software. So here also it is showing 0.
Yes, very good.
So in the data steps, I think by using index function also we will get right. Another one is whenever we are giving in macros, no inverted commas required here. Okay. So class working fine here, but something happened here. So let's try without using it. So I think now it will work fine. Still it was showing 0. Index W will not work, I think so. Okay, leave that. So let's try find. So find was not coming in. Look at. So let's try with this one. So you know that find and index both are same. So for find also it is not working. We will use other functions. So let's see. Do other functions will work out. Here we use only single argument, but it's showing as too many arguments. I don't know why. Let's try here. Here also it is showing too many arguments. So I think all functions are not working here in 9.4. Don't know what is the reason. So I will try to sort out this after the session. Let's move with
Okay, sir.
another.